Hi everybody. So the first new piece of technology that I chose to research and talk about in this assignment is Voki, and I actually found it researching over the summer for new technology for middle school age on Pinterest, and this was one of the suggestions because the free part, which is the create, you can make avatars, and your avatar can speak for you. So my students who don't like presenting or don't like speaking, part of my class in career exploration and money management is they study different careers and they have to do a presentation on it. That's one of the main things. So your avatars, you can create your avatar, you can work on the background, you can change your background to different things. There's so many different options. But for the avatar part of it, I would have them, there is, if you scroll down right here, occupations. So there's already avatars that are made for my students to for specific careers, occupations. And so then once you choose your character, and then obviously if they had a career that wasn't represented on here, they would just create their own avatar. Then you go to voice, and you can type in what you want your avatar to say. So, the student can say, today I am presenting about the career cluster. It would be hospitality and tourism. So anyways, they could put all of that in, and then the rest of their information. So they talk about the salary and everything. They talk about a lot. But they could type it all in because they have the ability to do 600 characters. So then you hit play.
Today I am presenting about the career cluster hospitality tourism.
And then you can also change if you want it to have a female or a male voice. You can do adult. You can do kid. You can also do offbeat voices. So, and then you just change. So you just choose your character, what you want it to sound like right here. And then you can hit save. Now I did I did make an account so that I could save, and then I am going to play with this with some of my classes. I think they will enjoy it. I think they love creating things like this, and then that can be a way for them to present because a lot of them don't want to. So this is a little bit about Voki. Also on the main page is a little video. Watch the video, and that tells you all about it.